I've been thinking, if Priscilla really wants to go to Shanghai, I should support her. She's grown up to be a fine young lady. She's not a little girl anymore. But in my heart, she will always be. I remember when she was young. She has never seen snow before. And one day she came up to me and she said, "Daddy, tell me, what is snow?" I took a piece of paper and I said to her, "Look, this is like snow." I said, "Snow falls from the sky. It looks something like this." I remember telling her, snow is one of the most beautiful creation of God because every snowflake is so pretty. Each one is different, unique, just like people. Watching her grow, one day I know, somehow I must let go. If only I could be beside her through life's journey. There's so much I've got to say. Show her love in every way. A father's love remains in the heart. I told her once, a father's love is pure as the snow above. Though seasons change, I'm always here to wipe away the tears. Remember rain when she would cry, and of the times that she would try to be so brave and strong, my dearest child. If only I could be with you, your guiding light, all through the night. A father's love remains. Here it is.